Welcome to the Healthy Foodies. My name is Joy, and in today's video, I will show you how to cook a delicious and healthy Filipino dish known as pork sinigang. First, prepare all the ingredients: 4 cloves of garlic, 2 small onions, 2 tomatoes, 5 grams of tamarind, salt and pepper, 1 eggplant, 1 daikon radish, a handful of water spinach, 1 serrano pepper, a handful of string beans, 1 kilo of chopped pork ribs. Once all the ingredients are ready, pour 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil into a large pan and heat it up. Add the garlic and saute until brown. Then add the onions and saute them before adding the tomatoes. Now you can add the chopped pork ribs into the pan and mix well. This is a good time to add the pepper and keep mixing until the pork's color turns brown, at which point 5 or 6 cups of water are added. The amount of water depends on your preference. Add the tamarind before covering the pan. Leave it covered until the pork becomes soft. This usually takes about 30 to 45 minutes. Once the pork has softened, add the salt, the string beans, the chili, eggplant, radish, and cover the pan for about 10 minutes until the vegetables are cooked. Finally, add the water spinach and mix everything. It is now ready to be served with your choice of rice. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you!